Important thing that you should always bring to school happens to be a snack.
Breakfast is a very important meal.
If you did not get breakfast, bring a snack. In this case, I have a chicken tortilla wrap with lettuce.